Let's take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. An employer maintains a cafeteria plan that fails non-discriminatory testing because it favored highly compensated employees, HSEs, and key employees. What's the tax consequences of this failure? So when the plan fails, what would happen? The employer is subject to a 20% excise tax on the total benefit. No, there's no excise tax imposed on cafeteria plans, so A is out. Highly compensated and key employees must include the value of the benefit they could have elected in their taxable income. Yes, what would happen is all the benefit that you get under the plan now will be included in your W-2. So between A and B, I'm going to keep B, I'm going to move to C. The employer loses the ability to deduct compensation expenses related to the plan. Now you could still deduct the compensation expense, just you cannot give a tax advantage position to the people who receive the benefit. The cafeteria plan is automatically terminated and all the benefits becomes taxable to all employees, not at all. Non-key employees, non-HSE employees, they would still get their benefit, their favorable tax treatment. Therefore, the answer is B. The answer is B. If you're using Farhat lectures, you could always ask the AI to explain the topic, explain the correct and incorrect answer, and create a similar MCQ. Whether you are studying for your enrolled agent's CPA exam, accounting courses, the best investment you can make is invest in yourself. Don't shortchange yourself. Go to Farhat lectures, look at additional lectures, resources, multiple choice exercises, true, false, AI resources. God bless.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.